Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the compressor settings and the balloon material. This is critical. Set the regulator so output sits slightly above the balloon's recommended pressure, and attach a balloon inflator nozzle or quick connect adapter. You want stable, low-pressure flow rather than a blast. Once done, cradle the balloon neck between thumb and finger to control airflow. Make sure the compressor runs at idle until you begin inflating. This avoids sudden pressure spikes that pop balloons. You now inflate with intent. Apply a short, steady burst or maintain a low continuous flow, watching the balloon expand. The why matters. Latex is thin unevenly under fast pressure, so gentle fills ensure uniform wall thickness and maximum strength. Once the balloon reaches the target diameter, measured against a template or mark, stop the flow and pinch the neck. Make sure to rotate the balloon as it fills so tension spreads evenly. If it tightens, pause and let the material relax. You finish by sealing the balloon immediately, tie a firm knot, or use a clip to prevent leaks. For multi-balloon projects, keep inflation consistent so sizes match. This ensures balanced arrangements. If you encounter popping, stop and troubleshoot. Reduce regulator pressure by about 10 to 20%, inspect nozzle for sharp edges or poor fit, and swap any suspect balloons. Make sure the compressor's moisture trap is clear. Water droplets can weaken latex. Once stable, proceed with assembly and storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.